Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to get paid on Quora. So how you will get paid on Quora is the question. So you will have to open the Quora application. So what to do to get paid? You will see the many persons add the questions by with pics. So you will just click to the settings, and from the settings you will just complete your profile and select your country. So I will select my country. So monetization program are not available in my country. So if you have another country, you will be able to monetization. If you want to search on Google, so on Quora you can make money by asking interesting questions or writing good answers. Quora pays you based on how many people view and engage with your content. To join, you need to be 18 older, have a verified account, and have a PayPal account to receive payment. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.